Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 12th of January and it's just after 9 o'clock, and we'll start with the AUD Swiss franc. We've got this nice red candle down this morning, which I'm quite pleased to see. And we have just broken the trend line here, and we've got a nice sharp candle down on the RSI. This pair does seem to have broken a little bit. I'm waiting to see the commitment of traders tonight just to check on the short position for the Australian dollar. But I think we're going to see that quite a bit improved. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, divergence 6.4 to 1. We've got a red candle this morning. I would like to see this go below the 50 to confirm a sort of bearish mode. So we'll see how that goes later on. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Again, three nice candles down. I think we've got a bit of strength on the Swiss franc and a little bit of weakness on the Canadian dollar. And we are just below the 50 on the RSI, which is very nice. We've broken the trend line here on the candle chart as well. There's a divergent short of 8.3 to 1. Canadian dollar, again, Japanese yen. We're down basically on a little bit of support at the moment. You can just see a bit of strength just off the chart here. So we'll see how that goes. But I think basically this should continue on down. Euro, Swiss franc, exactly what we expect. We've had a bit of strength on the euro, a little bit of strength on the Swiss franc, but the euro's won and it's broke out to the top. We've got a short divergence of 9.2 to 1, and I'm expecting this to turn back down. Euro, Japanese yen. Same problem. We've got the strength on the euro for 2 days running now, and we've got a divergence short of 12.1 to 1. We've come up above the 50 on the RSI, and I'm expecting it to turn back down. We'll look at the commitment of traders tonight, see where they're looking. Pound, Swiss franc, divergence short of 6. We're still nudging up and down on the 50 of the RSI. Little bit of strength in the Swiss franc and in the pound, so we've remained about even keel for the last 2 days. We'll see which one breaks first. Pound, Japanese yen. As you can see, we've had a little bit of a bounce back up, but we did have this nice fall down, so we'll see how far that goes. Euro, pound, same again. We've got three nice green candles, and we're above the 50 on the RSI. We're finding a little bit of strength here for resistance, top of these recent candles, and the bottoms of these over here. This is where it was held a few days ago, over this side. So we'll see how far that goes, but I'm expecting it to turn back down. This is platinum, which is going up and up. Weakness in the dollar will help this. So it has gone up quite nicely. We're sort of way above the 69.1. When it starts breaking down, this should be a really good sell. Turkish lira, Japanese yen, nothing much for the last 2 days. Still below the 50 on the RSI, and it looks like we might see a little bit of a turn down. It's shown a bit of weakness later on today. USD, Hungarian forint. Yep, two short candles. It's made a new sort of low. It's bottomed out to the bottoms of these candles over here. I think it'll find support here, and we'll get some more strength in the dollar and it'll bounce back up. USD, Czechoslovakian krone. This has made fresh lows. It's come down. We've had this recent low and the new one, and actually it has made a higher low on the RSI. So that shows a little bit of sentiment to the upside. We'll see how that goes. The ZAR Japanese yen, that's the South African rand against the Japanese yen. We had this nice candle down the other day. The rand has fallen, and the Japanese, well, sorry, the rand has fallen, and it's held for the last couple of days. This is holding on a little bit of support. We'll see if that breaks, but it looks like it's going to break later today. This is palladium. I've still got my trades in. We've come back up a little bit. The weak dollar won't have helped that, but I believe we've also had some weakness on palladium. So hopefully that'll continue down later on today. And then, of course, we've got oil, which has been flat for about the last 3 days. It's tried to make a breakdown this morning. I think it will start turning down. We're just touching the trend line. So I really want that to break down nicely. I don't want it just to wiggle across this way. So we'll see where that goes, but we have got an extreme bearish position by the commitment of traders, so that basically tells us it is not going to go a lot further. Okay, thank you very much. Hopefully see you. I'm going to be a bit late with the commitment of traders report for personal reasons, so I'll try and do that Sunday, or if not, it'll be first thing Monday. Cheers.